Hello everyone, welcome to this live session. This session is for telling about our discount offer that is provided for our timesheet software. Okay, right now we are providing around 75% discount. This video is not for explaining about our timesheet software because I have already explained it in another video. You can find the link at the description of this video. Okay. So this is our web-based timesheet software sales page. You can find the link in the description of this video. Right now you can buy this timesheet software just for $20. Okay, this is the limited time offer. I can stop this offer at any time. Okay, if you have watched my previous video, you should be familiar with our timesheet. So it's basically a web-based timesheet. You can just visit this page and you can find the video here. You can just play the video and see the details about this software, or you can see the demo by yourself by clicking this live demo. Okay, it will allow you to see the demo by yourself. You can log in as admin and as a user also. Okay, so as I said, these things I already talked in my previous video. You can find the link in the description. So basically this live session is for announcing about our discount. So the discount, in the sense, it's already we set the low price, right? So you can get the timesheet software just for $80. There is no user-based license or any monthly or yearly renewal fees. Okay, so you can just pay the amount and you can get the timesheet with source code, and you can use it for any number of users anytime. Okay, that's how we are selling our timesheet. Okay. Okay. The reason for giving the offer is, let me explain briefly. Okay. By the meantime, if you have any questions, you can ask it through the live chat. Okay. 1 second, I will check whether any are there. Okay. Right now, no questions. I will continue the session. Okay. So basically, this timesheet software is developed using PHP and MySQL. We developed it many years back. Okay, around 8-9 years back. Okay, but we are updating it continuously. Okay. The reason we reduced the prices, actually I'm planning to focus more on this product. Previously I was focusing on this YouTube channel. A few months back, YouTube disabled advertisements for this channel. Okay, so I thought of focusing again on timesheet product. So a few weeks back, I updated the software with the new details to make it work with the latest PHP and MySQL. Okay, so basically it's up to date. So I wanted to test it. So actually, I have done a lot of testing. Apart from my own testing, I just wanted to test with the users also. That is the main reason I reduced the price. Okay, and moreover, instead of paying money to the Google advertisements, I thought of giving it as an offer to the people, so that the conversion rate will be more. So basically, from my side, giving offer is not going to make any change. Okay. Instead of paying the money to Google advertisements, I'm going to give it as an offer to the users. But for user perspective, definitely it can help them to save significant money, right? And another thing is I'm using it as opportunity to gather leads for doing customization using PHP and MySQL. So basically, it's a kind of business lead. That's the reason I'm reducing the price. But I cannot keep this low price for a long time, because if a lot of people are buying this timesheet, means it's difficult for me to support everyone. Okay. So once after selling few uh, copies, mostly I will be putting back the original price. Okay, that is the important thing. So if you're really interested to get the or use this offer, you can buy it immediately. You can buy it from using PayPal. Okay, so you can use it PayPal. A PayPal that allows you to use your debit card or credit card also. Okay. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. Okay, right now there are no other questions, so let me continue telling about our timesheet. It is developed using PHP as a scripting language and MySQL as the database. Both are open source, like you need not pay any money to install those things. You can just have a Apache server or any kind of web server, and you can freely install PHP and MySQL. And our script comes with the installation script. Okay, you can easily install it by giving the details about your database connection details and your server name, and that's it. You can see all those details in my previous video. Okay, that's the reason I'm not explaining right now. I'm just giving the overview in this session. Okay. So basically, you can get it just by paying $20, and you are not going to pay any additional money for the PHP and MySQL. You can install it in your own server locally, or if you want to put it in web, you have to get the static IP for your computer, or you can get a lot of web hosting. Most of them are starting with very low price. Almost all the hostings are providing PHP MySQL support, so you can easily install it. Even if you're running your website, any hosting, additionally you can just install this timesheet software. That's how it's working. It's a very simple. I'm keeping it intentionally, keeping it very simple, because I sold a lot of copies to many customers. Everyone is having a different expectation. Okay, their approval process is different, and their hierarchy is different. Their reporting stuff, everything is different, unique for everyone, right? So that's the main reason I'm keeping it simple. So basically, you can just get the basic software just by paying $20 right now. And for any additional changes, or if you want any new features or modifying existing code, I can do it for hourly charges. Okay. Apart from that, it is coming with source code, right? So you can hire any freelancer with knowledge in PHP MySQL to do the thing for you. That is the core thing about this thing, like getting software with source code. It is very important thing, because almost it's impossible to get the this kind of software with source code. You might have tried it if you are doing small business, right? So it will be very useful for anyone who is starting small business stuff. Because I have already explained these things in my LinkedIn post. I'm just explaining it again, because whenever we are starting any small business, we need timesheet software to track employee and project work hours, right? It will be useful for studying the employee performance as well as project performance and the client billing purpose. A lot of things are there. All these things I explained in my previous video. You can just watch that video. But what I'm trying to say is almost any small business, whenever they are starting, they need to set up timesheet software, whether they like it or not. It's a part of business. But a lot of people will be starting with a very low budget, right? So they tend to find any free software. A lot of cloud-based timesheet providers are providing free trial or free for few users. Like a lot of offers they are giving. So a lot of small business owners are going towards them, but it is kind of trap. So, though you are initially not paying any money or you are paying very less, in the long term you have to spend a lot of money because they charge based on number of users and time basis, like monthly fees or yearly renewal fees, that kind of stuff. Basically, you need to get license for additional users and additional period. And apart from that, you cannot have your own workflow or any custom changes. Maybe they will be providing some limited options, but it's difficult for you to do whatever you want. That is other thing. What I'm trying to say is the small business owners are tending to go with free offers or any kind of very low price cloud-based timesheet. But in the long run, it is affecting their businesses very heavily because they have to spend a lot of money for the timesheet purpose only. A few weeks back, I ran an Twitter poll or asking about their satisfaction with current timesheet. A lot of people wanted to reduce cost by eliminating this monthly or yearly renewal fees. This is the fact, but anyone starting new business, they are obviously starting to use cloud-based because they are getting it free or with very low price. So just think about in the long run, because you cannot immediately switch over from your current timesheet to some other things because all your data will be lying with them. Even if they are providing export option, that format may not be compatible with some other system. Even if you are moving to some other system, they will also do the same thing. So it's better to have your own software, right? It will be giving a lot of freedom and data security and customization. A lot of things are there. But developing any new software from scratch is going to cost you a lot. So what you can do is you can just see our demo, and if you like that demo and if you feel that it is somewhat suitable for your requirements, and maybe you can find some features lagging there or some changes needed. That's okay. You can just buy it and you can do the custom changes, right? Because we are giving it with source code. And if you want me to do the custom changes, I can also do based on hourly charges. So just try this, and if you know anyone, any of your friends who are doing small businesses, you can refer this offer to them. Okay. And apart from this timesheet customization, I can do any kind of automation using PHP and MySQL. So you can contact me if you are willing to do that. Okay, you can ask me if you have any questions. Someone asked some question in different language. I didn't understand that. Okay. And okay, that's all about this session. Only 3 people are watching this, so I'm just stopping this session. And maybe Steam health is not good. It's showing in the orange color. Okay. Maybe I will do it tomorrow or something to give more details about our other plans. Like recently, we are focusing on launching our news website Artisan, because that one also we started long back, but now we are giving attention to that again. Okay, I will talk those things tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow or some other day. Right now, I'm just disconnecting it. Thanks for everyone to watch this.